Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson Stylus DX6000. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the buttons found on the front and the little screen here. Now this process is great for helping resolve striped prints or missing colours on your prints, and it only takes a couple minutes. And it's a great first point of troubleshooting. So we need to go into maintenance or setup using this button here. It's a screwdriver and a spanner. So press to go in, and you've got a bunch of maintenance options displayed on screen. The first one is check ink levels, so we press right to go past that. Got check ink nozzles, which is essentially a test page, but we'll go past that. And we eventually get to clean printhead. So to go into this, you press the start button, which is like a diamond with a line in the middle of it, green symbol. So we press to go in, and your printer takes it from here. Now it'll take the machine a couple minutes, it'll start making some clunking and whirring sounds, and eventually we'll be returned to the clean printhead screen, just like this. Now you're going to want to check the results of your clean, so I'd recommend pressing left, and going back to check ink nozzles that we had before, pressing the start button, getting the test page, and taking it from there. You can obviously do cleans and test pages until you see an improvement in your print quality, and hopefully get yourself back up and running again. But that's about all there is to see here. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.